welcome to Sam Tech Pro. Today I am showing you the Crownman Tool 20 pieces metric tap and die set. Here we got tap and die set. I have already tested. The quality is enough good, you can do anything with it. You can create threads. Now here it is written Crownman 20 pieces metric tap and die set. Let's pull the lid. Now I see that there are 9 tapping bits, while 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so 9 die and 2 handles. One side is for losing it. After losing, you can insert the tap bit and then you can tighten it up. For example, this one. The material is really very good. It is hard enough to create the sharpest threads into any kind of metal. Now, the other side is square, as you can see, and there you place it and then tie it. You can also use the grip plier for that purpose or anything else like that, and then you can hold it and then rotate it to create the threads into any kind of hole. The other end simply can be taken out, and by taking both of these ends out, you can take that black piece out of that handle. Now this is the die handle. If I unbolt it, the die comes out, and that's how it was stuck into it. But I think that handle is not heavy for such kind of big dies. Also, the tap handle is also small for that, but overall it's good for the pieces like aluminium or other metal that is soft metal. By the way, it cost me only $75, and for only $75 I think this is a wonderful thing I could ever have. And I really love to create threads inside aluminium. I can also use it with the plastic. I can also use this to create threads on any kind of metal. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you.